Hey guys, I'm Zach Van Wagner, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your TRX XMount in under 5 minutes. First, you're going to need a drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, a ratchet, a stud finder, and one pencil. Included with your TRX XMount, you will find 2 wood stud lag bolts, 3/8 by 3 inches long, and 2 washers. So let's get started. First, find a spot in a load-bearing wall, overhead stud, or beam that is 7 to 9 feet off the ground. Use a stud finder at multiple points along the stud to be certain of its center. Place the XMount with both bolt holes along the center of the stud. Mark the hole locations with your pencil and then drill the pilot holes. Next, place one of the washers on a lag bolt, insert through the top hole of the XMount. Screw into the top pilot hole using the ratchet or the drill. Don't tighten the top bolt fully as you may need to reposition by rotating the XMount. Finally, line up the bottom hole with the XMount and the lower pilot hole. Place the other washer on the lag bolt, screw the lower bolt in and tighten. Finally, you're going to tighten that top bolt as well. The installed XMount should be flush with the wall with no play or movement in the hardware. Attach your TRX suspension trainer to the XMount by threading the suspension anchor through the X and clipping the carabiner back into the suspension anchor intermediate locking loops. Do not clip the carabiner directly to the XMount. We don't want metal on metal. Weight test your mount by pulling down hard on it. The XMount shouldn't move at all. Don't exceed 750 pounds of a working load. As a side note, if you can, install the XMount at least 3 feet from any wall or overhead stud or beam above an 8 by 6 feet flat exercise surface. This placement allows 360 degrees of movement, which is ideal for the TRX training. If you plan to install your XMount on a concrete surface, use 2 3x8 and 3-inch concrete lag shields. These are sold separately at trxtraining.com or at any hardware store near you. And now you're ready to start training.